people. Considering I didn't do a recording yesterday, I was actually kind of missing it, last evening, raat ko, when I was thinking, I was like, oh my god, I didn't do a recording. And I was like, no, because I'll tell you what, three people unsubscribed yesterday, and I was like, this is sad, this is bad. But then I realized that I want to do these recordings because meko khushi milti hai yaar. I mean, it's regardless of anyone subscribes, unsubscribes, watches, doesn't watch. When you're here on this planet to do a job, you might as well just do it, because people will at any given point approve or disapprove. Like in Hindi, they say, इंसान को अपनी नज़र में सही होना चाहिए, दुनिया तो भगवान से भी दुखी है. So, it means that you should do what inherently you feel like doing, because the, the world is unhappy even with God. So, that's the whole thing. But really, people, so I read this book called Chris Jenner and All Things Kardashian, and oh my god, like, really, yeah, when you read this book, you realize that the lady has bit by bit built her empire. I mean, and the more of these books I'm reading, the more I realize that to be able to be successful in life, one really doesn't need too much of, like, it's not so much about IQ or being good at maths or finance or things like that. It's more about basic common sense and of being able to harness whatever talents you have. Like, you can be singing, painting, drawing, anything, and just do it and just keep at it. Because Chris Jenner, I mean, the entire book, like, it's a mota book that is, yeah, close to 300 pages. And in the 300 pages, she keeps mentioning that it was her childhood dream to have 6 children, which she finally did, right? And I mean, and it's a very open and honest book. Like, uh, her first marriage broke because, she kind of strayed from the marriage and things like that. So it takes a certain level of honesty to be able to write all that. So it's there's this newfound respect I have for her, yeah, like, genuinely. So do try and read this, people. You can find this book on Amazon. It's called Chris Jenner and All Things Kardashian, and is it'll give you a peek into how the human brain, like, in terms of, no matter what your situation, if you see it in a positive light, it becomes positive. Because she grew up in a home where her father abandoned them when they were really young, but then her stepfather stepped in, and he seems to have been like this hero figure in her life. So it's, life is really about making the best of what you have. So that's my biggest learning from this book. And this is a 3-minute video. I don't know what I plan to do with my life. I'm like going on speaking, but really, so this book is called Chris Kardashian and no, Chris Jenner and All Things Kardashian. You can find it on Amazon. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.